Welcome to one and all. Let's start exercise 8.2 questions. First question, evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. First, you substitute the values from the table. So it becomes root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. And multiply, it becomes 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. Second question, 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Substitute the values from the table. Tan 45 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and sin 60 root 3 by 2. So it becomes 2 into 1 square plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. So that root 3 by 2 whole square, root 3 by 2 whole square cancel. So the final answer is 2 into 1 square, that is equal to 2. Question, cos 45 degrees divided by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. If you substitute the values, it become cos 45, what is that? 1 by root 2 divided by sec 30, 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30 is 2 by 1. Denominator, if you cross multiply, it become 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by root 3 and multiply with the reciprocal. So it become 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. Multiply, you will get root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. You should rationalize with the opposite sign. So it become 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. And you will get 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18 divided by 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square. Now 2 is common in the numerator, so you can take 2 outside. So it becomes root 6 minus root 18 divided by minus 16. So that 2 and 16 you can cancel. So the final answer is root 18 minus root 6 divided by 8. Fourth question, sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree all divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. The same method, you have to substitute the values from the trigonometric table. Sin 30 1 by 2, tan 45 1, cosec 60 2 by root 3 divided by sec 30 2 by root 3, cos 60 1 by 2 and cot 45 1. After that, you have to calculate the numerator and denominator separately. For the numerator and the denominator, the LCM is 2 root 3. So you will get root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 all divided by 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. 2 root 3 we can cancel. So the final answer is 3 root 3 minus 4 all divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. Again, you have to rationalize with the conjugate. So it becomes 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 minus 4. So if you multiply the numerator, it is in the form of 3 root 3 minus 4 the whole square, and the denominator, it is in the form a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, it becomes 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 square. Expand using a minus b whole square. So you will get 27 minus 24 root 3 plus 16 divided by 11. So the final answer is 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. Moving to the next question, 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Again, you substitute the values from the trigonometric table. You will get 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. And the value of the denominator is 1, and for the numerator the LCM is 12. And if you simplify, you will get 15 plus 64 minus 12 all divided by 12. Further simplify, you will get the answer as 67 by 12. Next, we are moving to the second question. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. First question, 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. The value of tan 30 from the table is 1 by root 3. So if you substitute the value, you will get 2 into 1 by root 3 all divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square. If you simplify, you will get 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4, so that the final answer is root 3 by 2. The root 3 by 2 meaning it is equal to sine 60 degree. So the correct option is sine 60 degree. Next question, 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. We know the tan 45 is equal to 1. So the numerator become 1 minus 1 divided by the denominator is 1 plus 1. So it becomes 0 by 2. 0 by 2 meaning it is equal to 0. Next question, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a equal to dash. This is true only when a equal to 0 degree. So the correct option is A, 0 degree. Then last question, 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. The value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So if you substitute the value, it becomes 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square. Simplify, you will get 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2, so that the answer is root 3. Root 3 meaning the value of root 3, what is that? Tan 60 degree. That is the correct answer. Next we are moving to the third question. If tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, what are the values of a and b? How to find out? From the table we know that for which angle the tan value is root 3. For which angle? If the angle is 60 degree. So what is the meaning? A plus b is equal to 60 degree. And similarly, tan which angle is equal to 1 by root 3? What is that? 30 degree. So a minus b is equal to 30 degree. So you can form two equations. The first equation as a plus b is equal to 60 degree and a minus b is equal to 30 degree. And if you solve both equation, you will get 2a equal to 90 degree, so that a equal to 45 degree. And if you substitute this value in equation number 1 or 2, you will get b is equal to 15 degree. Thank you.